The mitral valve is a trap door between the top of the heart and the bottom of the heart on the left side. What happens is you take a deep breath in, all of the oxygen floods the blood, and then when you breathe out, you're breathing out all the carbon dioxide. But all that oxygen-rich blood goes to the top of the left side of the heart. When that's full, it squeezes through a trap door, the mitral valve. When it opens, the blood comes down into the pump of the heart. That chamber squeezes, and then the valve shuts. It doesn't shut properly. That causes a leaky valve and causes shortness of breath and ultimately heart failure. The surgery doesn't involve an incision in the center of the chest. We can do it almost 90% of the time through the side. A mitral valve repair gives you the best, it's called symptom-free survival, as we call it in medicine, or meaning that you don't need to come back to see me again. You're fixed and you can go on with your life.